Well, this is the second part of our process. This is the insertion line. First, you can see the big cut machine. This is to get some division in the board. So after the big cut, we have the insertion conveyor to do the first insertion process in this. After the insertion process, we have the first soldering machine that we have here. So this is in phase of installation and evaluation. So after the soldering machine, we have the unloader equipment. So after that, we have using a magazine to get using the magazine loader. So after magazine loader, we have the axial insertion machine. Okay. So after the axial insertion machine, we have done one unloader. Okay. You can see the unloader. After the unloader, we have a zone insertion machine. So here is the insertion machine from some components. Okay, some of components. So you can see both the two machines that are inserting some different components, radial and outboard. So after the insertion JUKI machine, we have the conveyor insertion. Okay, so you can see we are using some pallets. Okay, we have some different things to insert, different components. So after that, we are inserting some cables, and here we're starting the process for the soldering. This is a independent sprayer. So after the sprayer, we have a second soldering equipment. This is the second way solder that we have in our process. So after the second one, we have a last unloader. In this part, we receive the final process that we are making here. So the next one step is FFT machines. So this part is the final operation that we have here in Hermosillo. All this equipment was installed by engineer from I.C.T. So we have a very good support from the engineer. Peter, Allen, and Andy was an excellent engineer here. So I really appreciate your help. Thank you.